Pizza mac and cheese? Today we're visiting Albo's Mac and Cheese in Brea, California. They also have locations in Cerritos, California and Gilbert, Arizona. If there were a CEO of mac and cheese, this place is it. They make all kinds of mac and cheese, including this pizza mac and cheese, which is amazing. They even top it with marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, and pepperoni slices. Honestly, it's hard to show you everything they offer here, so you're gonna have to visit them yourself and let me know what you think. So now I'm wondering, where should I go next? Let me know in the comments.